What if you could describe your edit in plain English and your software just did it? No menus, no clicking, no that one shortcut you keep forgetting. Well, as of yesterday, that's not a concept anymore. Adobe just flipped the switch on the biggest Creative Cloud update in years. Its AI-powered creative agent is now live in public beta across Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Illustrator, InDesign, and Frame.io. 5 apps, 1 AI brain, and it works differently in each one based on what you actually do in that app. Here's what this actually means in practice. In Premiere Pro, you import your raw footage and the AI takes over setup, sorts clips into bins, batch renames everything, identifies your best interview moments, and can even assemble a working rough cut before you touch a single button on the timeline. In Photoshop, you describe the outcome you want. Batch remove all backgrounds, resize every asset for Instagram, swap this background across the whole series, and the AI orchestrates the whole multi-step workflow while you move on. In Illustrator, it can generate 50 version files from a spreadsheet. 50 files from a spreadsheet while you go make coffee. Adobe's Firefly AI Studio is also getting a major upgrade, a quick cut feature that auto-assembles video clips into a polished first pass, brand kit generation from a text description, and short product videos created straight from product photos. And Adobe is now plugging its tools into ChatGPT, Claude, Copilot, Gemini, and Slack, so your AI assistant in those platforms can call Adobe directly. All of this was first teased back in April. As of Thursday, it's in public beta and you can actually use it. Think about your creative workflow. The rough 30% of it, sorting footage, batch exporting, brand compliance checks, prepping files for delivery, that's now on the AI. Adobe's whole pitch is that you stay the creative director and the agent handles execution. If this actually works at scale, the Premiere timeline of 2028 is going to look nothing like what you're staring at today. So here's the real question. When an AI can have your rough cut ready before you've finished your coffee, what's the most valuable thing you bring to the table? Drop it in the comments. Like the video if you're already leveling up your creative skills, and subscribe to the Tech Bard for the tech news that actually matters. We'll see you in the next one.